Let's explore how an administrator can whitelist or block specific IP addresses. Initially, we'll test whether the 2FA prompt appears for the end user. After that, we'll whitelist their IP to bypass the 2FA prompt in the future. The end user enters the username and password to log in. As you can see, the end user is prompted with 2FA, MFA. Now let's see what happens when the administrator whitelists the end user's IP. To whitelist an IP, the administrator needs to go to IP Restrictions in the admin panel. The admin can check their organization's IP address by clicking on My IP Address. Verify their current IP address. The admin can then enter the desired or verified IP address which they want to whitelist. After entering the IP, it must be added to the list. The IP is then visible in the list as shown. Let's go back to the end user page and check if 2FA is prompted after the IP has been whitelisted. The end user is terminating and logging out of the previous session, which was active at the beginning of the video. The end user logs in again by entering the username and password. But this time when the end user logs in, 2FA, MFA is not prompted by our plugin because the administrator had whitelisted the IP which is being used in the organization. Similarly, the admin can block a specific IP, preventing the user from logging and using that IP address.